I will love to help you through the process of buying, sell, or listing your house. If you also need a house to rent, you are in the right place. Let me know I can help you. Call me today at 832-343-1930. Nelly, your realtor. Hablo español. This is the sole vacant lot in the vicinity. Create the beach house of your dreams on this 6,600 square foot lot with a canal view in Jamaica Beach, a peaceful community on Galveston Island. Waterfront. Enjoy the boat ramp, city park, neighborhood pool, pavilion, and restaurants that Jamaica Beach has to offer. No existing survey is available.